Welcome to my first ever beach day. Someone lost his shoe.
No, we're gonna... You hear it? Guys, who wants to go look for it?
I hope it gets warmer.
Kit Kat, cookies and cream chocolate, normal milk chocolate because I don't know if anyone likes the Kit Kat version. And I got cherries and strawberries. I cut them up. And I brought cards. And I also have my digital camera.
And why were you late?
And why was I late? Because I got lost trying to go to the cashier because I went to the other exit. And then, so I missed the Sky train.
We're going to VCC Club. "11 stops. Okay. How do we do this? We just spray?
I don't need spray. I think you spray it and you have to rub it in.
How much? Like
No, you need,
Like that?
Yeah, do your full one.
Like that?
Yeah, and then rub it in. I don't think you have to rub it. I'm pretty sure you do. Really? This is their instructions.
But we don't know how to
Better
use
safe
it.
than sorry. I don't use them.
It says onigiri. It says
Crush.
That's only 2 cans of Crush.
And we have 6 bottles of spray.
And we have 6 bottles of Sprite. Chocolate.
I think I'm just...
No, this one.
You can use them to mix it again. I promise. This looks
Now that we have all the tissues.
Are we ready? Call out the winner. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, okay.
Where is that?
Yeah. You need to click it.
Yeah.
Close. Pencil.
Oh.
Pencil.
Oh, what's happening?
Pencil.
Stop.
Why are you so mad?
Joe or shuffle?
cherry lemonade. What's it? Rainbow.
Pick any card.
Okay.
Where do you want me to cut the cards? Here. Cut the cards and then you put on top. Okay. I'm going to look through this deck and make a prediction. Okay. This is my prediction.
Okay.
Sorry. Are you okay?
Okay. So it should be the Queen of Diamonds.
All of my choices are dictated by.
Whoa, wait.
Wash it. Don't wash it in the water. Tell them not to go in the water.
Okay, our next job for the next hour is to take these aesthetic photos. This is our challenge number 1.
No.
Yeah. It looks like a circle.
That's cute. I think you have to scoop it. I'm gonna use it. So you have to scoop it over.
Scoop what?
Done?
2, 1.
What are you doing?
Why are you?
Just don't
No,
touch
you guys know those like professional like
Yeah.
people who bring their tools and they
I know what to do.
This is a molten chocolate lava cake. A decorative leaf. Okay.
We're trying to take a photo.
Look at this one. Okay, well most of these are. This one is really nice. This one is also.
Which one's your favorite?
I think this one. We found this one in the water. I think.
Ew. Do you want to crush it?
Your turn. We failed the first photo challenge. We failed the first one, right? And now we're doing this one. Someone lost a shoe. Someone lost a shoe. No. We're gonna bury Sylvia's. Where's my shoe?
The Sylvia is completely.
What?
The Sylvia is completely destroyed.
Oh. Where's my second one? I don't know. You gotta dig. Oh my. Come out! One of my shoe breaks in half.
Is he in your shoes then?
I like my cross.
I'm not that pink anymore. I think the sand got them. There's no sand. Do you hear